Well, hey everybody, welcome back. What an interesting time we're in. I know it's very stressful. I know we're all having to deal with a virus thing going around, and I know that we're doing social distancing. I hope you're doing that, by the way. And we'll get through this. It's just one of those things that happens from time to time in life, and it's a lot of pressure and a lot of stress, and people are doing really stupid things like hoarding toilet paper and hand sanitizer and beans for whatever reason. Maybe that's why we need toilet paper, or all the beans that people are buying. But that said, I know that there has been a lot of stress. I've heard from you guys about needing to know about hand sanitizer, how to make it one that will, or how to make one that will really work. And there is a way to do that. I'm going to tell you about it in this video. And for those of you who cannot find the alcohol to make it, I have another recipe that's really good for very sensitive skin that requires no rubbing alcohol whatsoever. So I'm going to talk about those in this video. If you are new, I want to welcome you to Skincare with Chris Gibson. I'm Chris and I'm your skincare expert. I'm here to help you get the best skin ever. And today we're going to be talking about how to do hand sanitizer. So I'm helping you get not just the best skin ever, but the healthiest skin ever. On this channel, we also talk about things like skincare products, skincare routines, skincare problems like today, and we solve those. So if that's your thing, be sure and hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you get notified when my new videos are up each week. Now, before I jump into the how-to, I want to remind you guys that are subscribers, this will be another reason for you to be a subscriber if you're not, that there is a skincare giveaway going on from my channel right now, and it's very easy. I will put a link down in the video description box on how to do that. But yeah, you don't want to miss out on that. We only have a couple weeks left to go for you to do the two really easy things to do for that. And it's free skincare, and there are 3 winners. So lots of stuff going on there that's really positive. So it won't be all boring for the next couple of weeks, hopefully not. And for those of you who are stuck at home, please feel free to binge watch my channel because it helps my channel a lot, as do your comments and your likes and all of that. So let's talk about how to make hand sanitizer that works. Now, there are 4 things that you really need to have, and that is rubbing alcohol that is 91 to 99% strength. The reason for that is the alcohol has to be that strength to kill the virus, okay? So vodka isn't going to work. You need to have that level of rubbing alcohol available. The other thing you need is an aloe vera gel, and there are a lot of versions of these. Some of them have some extra ingredients because of sun damaged products like suntan products or sunburn products. Some of those gels are fine. You really need a thick aloe gel though. If you can find pure aloe vera gel, it's really better for this because it won't be as liquid. It will be more of a gel than liquid. If you get some of the other brands, they tend to break down a little bit more with the alcohol and they're too thin. So, you know, it doesn't work as well. The other thing you need is an essential oil that is antibacterial and antimicrobial or antiviral. And one of the best of those, and one that you guys hear me talk about on the channel all the time, is tea tree oil. And you need some tea tree oil, or you can use other things like lavender oil or cinnamon oil or anything that might have some antimicrobial properties for it, because we want to make this hand sanitizer as good as possible. The other thing you need is a container to put it in. Preferably you can rinse out an old hand sanitizer bottle that you've run out of, or a 4-ounce squeeze bottle works really, really well. Okay, this hand sanitizer is super stupid simple to make. You just need 3 parts rubbing alcohol to 1 part aloe vera gel and about 4 to 5 drops of the essential oil. So what you would do is, for example, 3 tablespoons of 91 to 99% rubbing alcohol. Again, vodka will not work. And 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel is the perfect mix. And you mix those together and you're gonna end up with a product that looks like this, like a gel. That's the one that I made earlier. So very simple to make. All right, then you're gonna add your drops of essential oil, and you're gonna shake that up or stir that up and then put it into the bottle, and it will last. It won't spoil until you run out. Now, I believe in making smaller batches, so it's fresh when you make it. It will work very well for you, and it actually ends up being a lot less expensive. Now, again, I know a lot of you cannot find the rubbing alcohol right now. I went to CVS, they had just gotten it back in again. So I got a huge bottle to last me through this thing because I don't feel like searching and paying a lot of money for hand sanitizer when people are gouging the prices, which they shouldn't do, but people do such things. Okay, now for the alcohol-free version for you guys with sensitive skin or those of you who can't find the alcohol, very, very easy. You just need a sprayer bottle. It can be you can reuse one, which is fine. A 4 or 5 ounce sprayer bottle. You want to fill that bottle 3/4 of the way full with sterile water. Now, if you have filtered water, that's fine. If not, just boil some water for 4 or 5 minutes, then let it cool off to room temperature and you can use it. So again, fill the bottle 3/4 full of sterile water, and you're going to add 10 drops of each of these: cinnamon oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil, and eucalyptus oil. So it's gonna smell really good, as you can tell. And you wanna shake that up, put it in the sprayer bottle, you spray your hands with it, rub them, and it's gonna work just as well. And the reason is those particular essential oils have very high properties of antiviral, antimicrobial, antibiotic properties. So they're gonna work very well for you. Now, no matter what hand sanitizer you're using, one tip I do want to give you is do not touch your eyes. You shouldn't be touching your face anyway. So there you have it, very easy to use hand sanitizers. Now, if your skin gets really dry, you can put moisturizer on afterwards. So moisturizing lotion is fine. I like to use a higher strength moisturizer like Hydro Boost for my hands when they get really super dry and cracked, especially when we're washing them all the time. What you should be doing, washing your hands and using hand sanitizer. Use the moisturizer so it doesn't dry your hands out. Now, I hope you found this video helpful today. It's my goal to give you guys a couple of recipes that you can use that are very easy to make hand sanitizer since it's such a rare commodity. And please let me know in the comments below, again, what are you doing to deal with this virus? Are you stuck at home working? Are you binge watching my videos? Or what's going on with you? Let me know. And also let me know what your top skincare concern is, because if I haven't made a video on it, I probably will. Thank you guys so much for watching. Much love. Please, please stay healthy and let's just get through this. And I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful and I'll see you over on the next video.